Hello, Victor here from Crewe, and today I will be showing you around this Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive. Finished in blue and powered by petrol hybrid engine, delivering 222 PS through smooth automatic transmission. This Toyota offers remarkable efficiency with confident all-wheel drive performance. The Toyota's dynamic front end boasts LED projector headlamps and LED daytime running lights for optimal visibility. And fitted with 18-inch alloys, the RAV4 delivers excellent road grip and comfort while adding rugged yet stylish stance to its profile. At the back, RAV4 continues its bold design with LED ray combination lights, and with its power-operated tailgate and dual-sided deck board, the boot provides flexible access and generous room for everyday needs or weekend getaways. The rear cabin features reclining seats for added comfort, rear air vents, coat hooks and ambient lighting details. Soft touch materials and bottle holders add convenience, making this space equally suited for long drives or family use. Up front, the Excel trim brings memory settings for the driver's seat, fully electric adjustment, lumbar support and heated seats, trimmed in high-quality upholstery. The 3-spoke leather steering wheel includes multimedia phone and safety system controls, and behind it 7-inch color TFT display delivers driving information, data, hybrid system indicators and more. On board you will find dual-zone automatic air conditioning, which ensures custom comfort for both front occupants, as well as infotainment system, which includes 6-speaker sound system with DB radio, Bluetooth, aux and USB input, as well as full connectivity thanks to Bluetooth and MirrorLink, allowing you to connect your smartphone easily. Toyota Touch 2 with Go navigation, which provides intuitive guidance with live traffic information, as well as trip computer, plenty of settings to personalize everything from lighting to safety alerts, and feedback from the reversing camera, which is displayed clearly on this 8-inch multimedia screen. This has been a presentation of the Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive, now available at Crewe. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.